Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for owners of the Kaito KA390 portable AM/FM shortwave NOAA weather radio, the Diced AC/DC adapter. This isn't just any power brick. It's specifically designed to keep your beloved radio running smoothly and safely, ensuring you never miss out on important broadcasts or your favorite tunes. One of the most critical aspects of any power adapter is safety, and this Diced unit truly excels here. It boasts international quality certifications, which means it's been rigorously tested and found to be in compliance with top industry standards. What does that translate to for you? Well, it includes numerous built-in safety mechanisms. We're talking about robust protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. These aren't just buzzwords. They provide genuine peace of mind, knowing that your Kaito KA390 radio and your home are safeguarded from potential electrical issues. It's a testament to the thoughtful engineering behind this product. Moving on to its operational capabilities, the adapter features a wide input range of AC 100-240V at 5060 Hz. This global compatibility is incredibly convenient, especially if you travel or live in an area with varying power standards. You can simply plug it into most standard wall outlets without needing additional converters for voltage. Furthermore, its high power exchange efficiency is designed to control the working temperature, ensuring stable operation over extended periods. This means less heat generation and a longer lifespan for both the adapter and your radio. Physically, the Diced adapter comes in a sleek black color, designed for a wall mount, making it a tidy solution that keeps cords off the floor. It's a corded electric power source, as expected, and remarkably lightweight, tipping the scales at just 4 ounces. This makes it highly portable, perfect for tossing into a bag alongside your Kaito KA390 without adding significant bulk. The main power connector is a standard 2-pin type, ensuring a straightforward connection. A crucial point to remember, as highlighted by the manufacturer, is to always ensure you choose the right device before purchasing. While this adapter is perfectly compatible with the Kaito KA390, double-checking your specific model ensures you get the correct fit and functionality. In summary, for anyone looking to power their Kaito KA390 portable AM/FM shortwave NOAA weather radio with confidence, the Diced AC/DC adapter presents itself as an exceptionally reliable and safe choice. Its comprehensive safety features, versatile input voltage, efficient operation, and lightweight design make it an indispensable companion for your radio. It's a product that prioritizes both performance and protection, allowing you to enjoy your radio without any worries.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.